I am so excited. I have been working on this vise stand off and on for a couple weeks now, and it's finished. I did film enough of it to do a short, but I didn't do a regular video on it. This is my Morgan. It's a 4.5 inch. It is a model 138. This vise weighs 82 pounds. It is a big 4.5 inch vise. And I wanted to make a mobile vise stand so I could take it outside. Let me show you around, show you what I did. Basically, it's 2x6s, I'm sorry, 6x6s, a couple of 2x6s, lag bolted together, and I put some wheels on the back, and I mounted it to a steel plate on top. The thing is pretty solid. I don't even know how much it weighs, but it's all there. So here it is. I have a 12x12 1/2 inch steel plate mounted directly into the 2x6 in the back, and the 6x6 is up front. I mounted it to where something vertically would clear the front. I have 6x6s along 3 sides of it, and in the back I put casters on it because this thing is heavy and it is difficult to move. I was moving around with the dolly until I put the casters on. My wife, bless her heart, doesn't think that this is going to work. She doesn't think it's going to work like I thought it would. I think it's going to be solid. And yeah, the biggest thing I'm going to put in here is probably another vise. She thinks that once I pull this all the way out and put something in it that it's going to tilt forward. I don't think it will. I'll open that up as much as I can. Leaving about 1/4 inch sticking out. I'm going to leave about 1/2 inch sticking out the back of the slide. I don't think that's going anywhere. I mean, I could pull it forward if I wanted to, but with all the weight going down, I don't think it's going anywhere. I currently have 3 4.5 inch vises. And this joker's heavy too. Not as heavy as the Morgan, but it's heavy. Man, that's not going anywhere. She doesn't know what she's talking about. I love her, but... Alright. Well, I think that's going to work just fine. I don't think it's going to go anywhere. I think I'll be plenty happy with that. Right on. That's my vise stand, mobile vise stand, holding my only other 2 4.5 inch vises. Y'all see the size difference? That is just so crazy. Well, we'll see you later. Thanks for tuning in. Forgot to show y'all the mobility of it. Kick it back and roll it around. Beats putting that dolly under it all the time, that's for sure. Before I let y'all go, I want y'all's opinion, and y'all have to comment down below. I have a workbench, but it is outside. I do a lot of my tinkering at this little 2-drawer horizontal filing cabinet, and I'm really thinking about mounting this vise to it, but I don't know if it's going to be too big for the work surface. I could mount that other smaller 4.5 inch, that fuller, but I'm afraid it's not going to be big enough. because I'm going to be working on decent sized projects. Y'all let me know down in the comments. You think this vise is going to be too big for this work surface, or if I should just go ahead and mount it up. Appreciate y'all. Stay blessed and have a good one.